figure, which I could not tell, that 42 startup, 36 from Guwahati, 6 location from Agartala. 19 startups have been onboarded. Onboarded means they have signed it, they have registered themselves as a company. There may be some ideation state, they are in still process. Because for funding, equity is required. Nobody will give you on equity. Now see, total 235 lakhs have been reserved a startup, Northeast region only, on seed fund. So many has been benefited. So out of 6, 3 already got from Agartala, 3 are in pipeline. I think within April they will get also the funding. Study table is one of them. They are going to get soon. They're EdTech. Again EdTech. This is the timeline. 31st March is the last date. Evaluation, shortlisting, everything will be done within 23rd of April. Consolidation of information and announcement of result 24th April. And these are the links. You can directly get the information, more information. And there should be one I. Copy paste problem. Okay, so you can apply, very simple. These are the stakeholders who are in this one. Our Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. In short, we call MeitY. Then we are there, Stpi. Under Stpi, we have an autonomous Stpi next, because we have to take a share. Government cannot take share and make a profit. Okay. Then MeitY Startup Hub, you can get the large number of networks are there. These are the chief mentors, all 12 locations. See, the first one is from Kumaran Venkatesh. He is accelerate now from Bangalore. He is the chief mentor for the Guwahati location. Sri Kalyankar is the chief mentor for our Agartala location. He is the co-founder and director of Incube Ventures. You can just Google it and find the size of their company now. So others are also there. Almost all big shots are there within our network. Okay. Just I'm mentioning, you can just see this one also. You can see from our weights also. Everything is there. These are our local mentors, Guwahati and Agartala. I think Agartala, some are maximum Guwahati. I think there are so many, so they could not come. I think they have just taken the screenshot of the first page, right? There are local mentors from Agartala also. Mostly because industry is not there, so we have taken from the education institute, mostly. This is Guwahati one, so you can contact me. I'll just give my number, 9436-120-846. This is my number. So this is the correct one. You can just click into that one. He sits in Guwahati. Madhurya, you can also contact him. It will come. So, and you can anytime you can just contact me. Drop a message also. For the Northeast region, I am the nodal officer for this NGS location, total NGS location. I think this next will be my last slide. Thank you. If you have any queries, anything about NGIS, do participate, at least encourage students. Even faculty can be an advisor for this fund. So students can also take the stipend one also. Okay. Yes.
If the students may form a startup, then as you told that they have to register them as a startup in the DST or something.
DPIIT.
So how many days it will take to register themselves as a startup?
If you have papers, Aadhaar card and all these things, company something name, DPPI registration will take only 1 day. And company registration will take hardly 17 days. That will be on the ladder. Once you are selected, then only. You can participate without anything as an individual. You don't have nothing. You are not DPPI registered. You are not company registered, nothing. You can also take part. That's why I said everyone can take part. I'm an LLP, I have a company. I have all registration also. You can also take part. Only that limit, 10 years below and 100 crores below. Right? So that anyone can participate. Later on, we give enough time to take them. As I said, no, I have shown the data. Out of 42, only 19 onboarded. Still they are in paperwork, but we have not associated them. Okay, because finding startup idea is very difficult. If you discourage them, they will demoralize and stop that work because they are not seeing the whole market. But we can visualize at least something after seeing all these experiences. This industry people can see the future. So we do not discourage. We even take any innovative idea of good innovative, we take it. Okay, but our selection is very kind of thing also that selected one will he has to accelerate or he has to grow because we'll be after them. We'll be after the startup. We'll not keep them sit idle. Even before I started my session, I was just forwarding some a couple of mails to the startup. You have not given the monthly report. We every month we check their progress. Whether it is 0.5%, 0%, we check it. So they should be alert. Okay. Yes. Any other question? Query? Yes. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Before sit. Hmm. 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 Sure. Huh. Huh, huh, huh. Hmm. Hmm. No. Just. Right. Right. Question. Okay. So the two schemes are different. This one. In that octane scheme, there is no stipend. Okay. There is no concept of stipend. Okay. And another difference is that octane is domain based, domain specific. In Agartala, if you want to be associate, you have to work on data analytics and AI. If you want to work in Guwahati, agriculture and IoT, like that domain based. But in NJS, no domain specific. These are the two main differences of these two schemes. There no stipend. There you if you get an cross and milestone, you get 5 lakhs of assistant fund, then 20 lakhs on share based. Got it? Here 25 lakhs in a one shot on share based. And stipend, those who have not succeeded sit fund till. That is the difference. So that's. Mhm. Mhm. So in this case, they have said for 3 months you just select it. Once you show the progress, they will onboard you. They will come with couple of agreements, shareholding agreements. After the shareholding, they will ask you, have you crossed these milestones? Three basic milestones. You have this much of employee, 5 employees. You have crossed this prototype. You have prototype. If you can show these 3 stages together, also they will just reimburse you 5 lakhs in that octane. No stipend. Uh-huh. No, no. In that scheme, nothing is there. So then equity based. So these are the basic difference, but maximum in both the scheme is 25 lakhs. After the 25 lakhs, as I said, there are accelerator programs. This NGS have an accelerator program. We got the lead ahead. Just because already we are almost near to the 5 years. There are startups who have joined from there. They require more fund. They want to expand their market. So they want more funds. For that, we have a lead ahead program. This is for those who are already in some stage. The prototype market to go to market stage. They only can participate. There we are going to rigorous 3 months mentorship is going on. After that, there will be a hackathon for this. Among 75 has been selected. Among that 75, almost 20 or 15 will be selected, and they will be getting an investment of 1 crore for each startup for next stage. Huh? Hmm. Okay. Okay. Hmm. see, you can take in other way also. Prototype means, see, yeah, yeah, prototype hardware, whole product. So that means in that case, yes, from his company's pocket, they have to spend it. Once they are onboarded, only after onboarding only you will get funding from this, not before onboarding. Okay, and another specific difference here, we mostly emphasis on the software services and the software products. There maybe software and hardware products also. There we look in Octane mostly the hardware products. Like, but in case of Agartala, you cannot look for the hardware. You have to be, because data analytics and AI. Hardware maybe there mean AI, but in data analytics you're just going to do some kind of analytics only. Yeah, combine based, sensor based, and all these things. And we have a good number of good equipments are there. Good servers, 14 servers, high-end Dell servers are there. GPU, high-end GPU also card also there, because you require much processing. So everywhere in Manipur you find AR/VR, a good lab they have started. So any other? Providing space, but you have to pay. Not free, you have to pay, because very nominal charge, because maintenance of your room. Basically we take this one for maintaining the whole say the arena, that the what we call it, ambience on the facilities we provide. If you, I think some of your faculty has visited our incubation space. It's very state of the art, you can say. Everywhere in Stpi we maintain, because corporate culture, IT culture, you have to keep it. Okay, you should have any feeling. Even in some of the Stpi we put so many activities also. People working very tired. We have some gym kind of also, cafeteria also. Even we have a gym also. So that is the concept, because in big companies, corporate also, they have everything in a big. If you visit any like Cognizant and of a good building of a Cognizant, you find everything. Numbers of cafeteria, okay, numbers of gym, number of entertainment, music you can play. So now it's a culture, because you have to spend most of the time in that company only. Sometimes you feel bored, you go to the music library, or you do some playing games and all this thing. So we are trying to cooperate this one, but initially starting with a gym. Guwahati we have a gym. Okay.
After they got onboarded, then
Yeah.
only they can
Yeah.
share the
Yeah.
space in your.
No, space they can take before on board also, because space is on chargeable base, so you can take any time.
But
So
they have to register to that certain.
not required. Once you are successful with us, you can take space. Then we'll keep on saying you that you register. So you will be registered, because registration is very easy. Okay.
What are the basic documents will be required for registration?
Nothing for the application. Where for submitting this application, I think nothing. Your idea only. Nothing document. I think. And a team. I forgot. Team. Your team. Team also important. Now, say suppose you are doing something hardware plus software, but in your team you are only alone. So committee also yeah, doubt, no, are they alone he can have, how he can do the software development as well as network. Maybe suppose for the innovative idea you don't ask, but a startup who is already 3 years old and he has a product and he's selling. If I don't find any business guy there, marketing guy, then we feel it how he's selling the product. A owner, co-founder cannot go for marketing. Simply we'll reject them. Impossible. Founder will be founder only. Okay. अंबानी काम करता है क्या? नहीं करता ना. अंबानी थोड़ी कोडिंग करता है. That is initially you do it, because you are the coder, because started initially, but you should have the team. Yes. Yeah, just you can show. Yeah, yeah. Always, if your students are participating, keep some faculty mentors. That gives the points. That gives the point. Yes, faculties are there. That means any advisory board, we call it advisory of the company. So many startup we have seen, all good faculty, professors, they have kept it. That carries the points, and that gives the value. Okay, if something problems, yes, their teacher or the guide is there, they may help you. Some coding and all this thing. It's then good also. Like why we have kept chief mentors. because they will be always helping you where you stuck up. Why? If you are stacking up in industry, industry people are there. If you are stacking up in some education research, faculties are there. So that's why this is the idea. No, no, no. Every round we put a theme. We put a theme only. So we are going to emphasize. That means if women ideas are there and stakeholders are, we give a little bit of preferences. Okay. This time may not be because today this is online, no? Okay. Because 8th round of Chunauti is coming. It may be announced maybe first week of April. So if you miss it, 8-1 is there. Within 3 days, if you can apply, 8-1, I already got it while coming. I got a mail that 8th round also coming. 8.0. So 8th round also you can catch up that one also. And that if you have an idea, you can also catch up. 5 पेज का एक स्लाइड बनाना है जहाँ पे आपका आइडिया ऑन योर बिजनेस ग्रुप आपका टीम कौन है वो 5 one slide you say your idea, one slide justification why you are going for, what is the cost, then go for business model, sustainability model, last page team 5 page. Okay, it gives them the students, you encourage the students to take part because they will help you, because you don't know means career life, no, once he is not now ready to do the startup, but if he has that idea after passing out, he finds so many challenges here and there, or suddenly he got a great idea, so they can catch up, okay, these things are there, I can go to that. And what is the harm of participating? No one is going to harm you, you participate. Once you are successful, if you get a seed fund also, good enough. Okay, we are not taking any registration fee for participation. You can take part, so that once you face this team, no, after you are successful or not successful, you learn a lot. They will ask such a good questions, no, it will trickle your mind. And जाना भी नहीं पड़ेगा, खर्चा भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, जाना पड़ेगा तो ये STPI बियर करेगा और ऑनलाइन है बस. बट दिस इज गिवन वेरी टाइम, हम 6 से 7 मिनट ही टाइम देते हैं अभी तक, 15 minutes टाइम पर स्टार्टअप. And in this one we have question hour and your presentation. So very difficult. If you tell me also within 5 minutes or 7 minutes you tell your company, उसमें तो आपका स्किल भी चाहिए, लॉजिक भी चाहिए. ठीक है ना, इट्स लाइक एन एग्जामिनेशन. हमें भी बोला अभी एग्जाम देने, हम भी डरेंगे थोड़ा सा. ठीक है, मेरा सब्जेक्ट भी है, मेरा कोर्स सब्जेक्ट भी एग्जाम दो, तब भी एक डर होगा, वो निकल जाएगा. If you face this. Any other queries or any suggestion? Business model means how you are going to carry this business. You are going to gain a product, right? What will be your key steps? Okay, that this will be group, this will be coding, right? In business model, you have to see that how early or how I'm going to find the final product. Okay, and final product means how, where is your the key challenges and where is your the value, what is the value of your product, how you will be valued. Okay, why people will go for your product, your services, for your this one. This is the one business model. Second, if you come to the revenue means you say हमने इतना खर्चा किया, हमने इतना किया, हमारा क्या पैकेज है. Now people, we have come across so many startups, they say sir this will be my, इतना खर्चा होगा एक स्टूडेंट ऐसे ट्यूशन पढ़ाने के लिए ऑनलाइन. बट हम पूछते हैं कि आप सब्सक्रिप्शन बेस दे रहे हो या ईयरली बेस दे रहे हो, व्हाट इज योर प्रॉफिट. समटाइम्स दे शो सो लार्ज नंबर ऑफ, आपका सस्टेनेबिलिटी है ही नहीं. सस्टेनेबिलिटी ऑन ओनली विद दैट आई एम गोइंग टू, ऐसे ही एक प्रोडक्ट का प्राइस रखो कि यू हैव टू कीप इट दैट people can afford. You have to see who are your buyers, the category. There are general people, middle class or the high class, or it's for all. उस पे value रखना है. तो initially that all your sustain means how will make a revenue. ऐसा भी नहीं कि पूरा drastically दिखा दो कि एक साल में हम 50 लाख ले लेंगे. No. There should be some justification. That's why it's a teamwork. Initially, you will also not get it, but by market survey, I can say these are the products. Because in business model, they will also ask you who is your challenger here, who is your competitor, right? That is very important. Competitor, then compare it. Who is competitor? So you have to show some value there, which is not there. Okay. Yeah. Hmm. Yes, rightly you can take part because the bias we can say B2C, B2B, like that only. So government people only business houses are targeting governments only because there are government bias also. Yes, if they can, why not? I will tell back in I think it is 2007 like that. This is the old story. First, initially this digital file tracking started in Bhubaneswar, government of Odisha. They have started because earlier Stpi Bhubaneswar was under Guwahati. uh, my director was looking after that. So that time we got one company came. So everything was filed. That they said sometimes the file कहाँ चला जाता है कब delay हो जाता है citizen services delayed. So they started giving this company he has given I think no the owner name Nanu Pani or something digital e-file tracking. They can just put it the track the file where in which table इनके पास कौन सा ऑफिसर के पास किसके पास कितना पड़ा हुआ है वो फाइल दे कैन ट्रैक इट ऐसे ही सॉफ्टवेयर बना दिया बॉस को अटेंडेंस भी देखता है अटेंडेंस तब एसओटी ने ओनली फाइल ट्रैकिंग गवर्नमेंट सर्विस का किसके पास क्लार्क के पास लेके गया तो दैट सॉफ्टवेयर वाज आई थिंक गवर्नमेंट परचेस इट फ्रॉम दैट वाज बिजनेस फ्रॉम गवर्नमेंट okay B2G so they got it. I have seen that one very first class. We also tried to use it but our organization got for this ERP we call it. We don't have files now. Everything on ERP. Everything, attendance, where I am going. Now my Delhi boss can know where I am today now. Earlier attendance was this one. No, now face, my eye. Very good. Everything recorded. No need. अरे क्यों लेट आ रहे हो बोलने का जरूरत नहीं ऑटोमेटिक 3 days 3 घंटा का लेट एक दिन सेल कट जाएगा ऑटोमेटिक पूछने का कोई जरूरत ही नहीं हमें फेस जब तक नहीं दिखाओगे नहीं होगा आधा घंटा लेट हो गया मैंने ऑफिस जाने में तो आधा घंटा बाद बाहर निकलना पड़ता है बैठे रहना पड़ता है come and see my office once you'll see all this face recognition everything 9:30 sharp चेहरा दिखाना है 6 को निकलना है because we are 5 days week इसलिए 8 hours 8.5 hours हाफ आवर्स किस लिए जो बीच में टिफिन खा रहे हो वो ऑफिस से नहीं जाएगा तुम्हारे खाते से जाएगा सो गुड इट्स एन गुड ऑल्सो समटाइम्स गुड बट एवरी रिकॉर्ड्स आर देयर हमारा सीएल वेल कोई वेल नहीं बस क्लिक करो चला जाता है इवन इफ आई एम इन होम आई वांट अ सीएल मेरा मोबाइल से काफी है सब कनेक्टेड है दैट इज कॉल्ड ईआरपी सॉल्यूशन इट्स एन व्हाई बिकॉज डिजिटल इंडिया बिकॉज ऑफ ईआरपी एंड ऑल दिस थिंग एवरीथिंग हमारा परफॉर्मेंस सब इवन नोटिसेस किसका कहां से ट्रांसफर हो सब आ जा रहा है इट्स एन गुड मगर इट्स एन बैड ऑल्सो समटाइम्स एक बार फाइल में लिख दिया तो रिवर्स नहीं होगा ब्लॉकचेन जैसा है फाइल पे नोटिंग हमारा फाइल अभी ई फाइल है वी ऑल एनआईसी हैज गिवन इट गुड वेरी फैंटास्टिक नोट शीट हमारे टेबल में फाइल देखोगे ही नहीं जो फाइल है वो 10 साल पुराने वाले ऑल ई फाइल सिग्नेचर डिजिटल है ऐसे ही एक पेन ड्राइव लेके घूमना पड़ता है ऑल एवरीथिंग हम यहां से भी अभी कोई फाइल साइन करना है तो पेन घुसा के हम कर सकते हैं दैट इज द ब्यूटी बट एडवांटेजेस ज्यादा है डिसएडवांटेज बहुत कम है कभी भी जरूरत पड़ा तो कहां से निकलेंगे आई थिंक रिकॉर्डिंग इज गोइंग ऑन आई डोंट नो ओके एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस लाइव स्ट्रीमिंग इज गोइंग ऑन हाँ see it depends upon suppose if you are small company If you want to form, keep only, because if your friend is giving some money on your company, then you can be co-founder. Otherwise, if it's up to you. But initially, if your idea is small, don't go for large team members. My suggestion is, if your idea is initial stage, 4 to 5, not more than 5. Huh? No. Only co-founder. I said no, 50%. Yeah. One woman should be 50% in your company shareholders. Make it co-founder and show that it's an. It will be showing us on the papers only. Initially, you are not saying woman-led or not. If you say woman-led, we will ask you the company. In the company registration, everything will be mentioned. So now you not company. So if you ask us, you cannot give it. So we cannot say that your company is women-led. You can see, show the team members, 4 team members are there, they will be going to co-founder mine. So that way we may consider you. Or if you want, I think Sir was telling that their students are going to visit our, I tried to my startups who have come across with STP and where their position, they can also interact with them. They will share their challenges and how they have come across this one. As you can say, across the Agartala, he has put that Shomish EdTech Private Limited, advertise. Yeah. He's now, he was earlier, we now he got a good place, I think in that Akhara Road. Good guy. Shomish. And one is with our study table is there. Silver Ginny also working. Mostly she remains in Bangalore. Any other? Fine. Thank you once again for giving opportunity to us to explain everything. Thank you.
Thank you all for your active participation and engagement in today's session on women entrepreneurship. Thank you, sir. Your enthusiasm and insightful contribution have truly made this a valuable experience.